Hi and welcome back to Wristwatch Adventures, adventures with affordable watches. And today I'm going to do an unboxing video. There have been a lot of unboxing videos etc. of this before Christmas, but I've been waiting until a boring January day when I've truly had enough and need some cheering up. So today I'm going to be unboxing the G-Shock Super Mario Special Edition. Okay, so here we go. Let's remove the outer packaging here. Get rid of that plastic bag. Oh, okay, and then right way up. There we go. And we've got there the iconic Super Mario Bros 8-bit Nintendo font there. And on here, some fantastic art, very recognizable from World 1, I guess. Of the first Super Mario Bros game. There we go. Okay, so if we start to open here, we get the usual Casio bits, the warranty card, the instruction manual for the module. Well, this is a fairly elementary model, some other stuff. And then if we pull the cardboard tab here and reveal, there we go, the tin. Okay, always got to have a tin. It's nice to see that they've gone to quite some effort here to make this fantastic. Okay, so got some art around the sides. There we go. Even on the bottom, the iconic, here we go. And Mario there. All right, now then, inside the tin. Remove the lid, place this over here, take off the bit of foam protection, and here we are. Fantastic, there it is. Now, a bit more packaging to remove. Okay, so on our tag here, we've got what the model number is, the DW-5600SMB-4ER with the module 3229 there. I think this is the basic G-Shock module. That's in the standard square, the kind of budget version if you like. Okay, so first impressions then, let's take a look. What are my thoughts here? Okay, so I really like how even on the fonts there that we have on the face for the functions etc, even that's in that 8-bit font there. And I've got the shell here, again very recognizable from those Mario games. On the strap, the pixelated Mario character there all the way through, kind of at distance will look a bit like a camo pattern I suppose. Case back, aha, now I was hoping there'd be something here a bit beyond the standard. So yeah, it's the standard screw-on steel case back here. Again, nice bit of attention to detail with the art here. Okay, but nothing particularly fancy, especially when you compare it to say my GW-5000U with its proper screw in. It's a bit grubby here, apologies, I wear this a lot. Okay, so first of all let's check the quality of the light functions, the usual G-Shock functions from this module. So one alarm, stopwatch, timer sorry, and then stopwatch, and then back again. So up here, start stop, the countdown timer there. There you go, so reset using that, very stiff the buttons because it's brand new. So the stopwatch, start stop, reset, there we go. One of the complaints about this module actually is the recessed adjust button here, which I guess makes it hard to hit by accident, but it's a bit of a pain for the reset with this module. there we go. So there are the functions. Now, the aesthetic appeal then. Okay. So they've done a great job with the color scheme, I feel here. Certainly gives off those classic Mario vibes there with the color scheme of the blue and the red and the kind of browny green here. Red of the main color schemes, the blue sky and the red and these colors of the Mario sprite character. I like the gold font on the bezel here. Again, a nice little touch there. Okay, specs then. So dimensions wise, it's the normal standard G-Shock square dimensions. Width 42.8, lug to lug 48.9, and depth here of 13.4. These G-Shock squares, they really do wear well. I've had all sorts of G-Shocks, including several of the more beastly case size ones, like I've had a Rangeman, a GD-350, a GA-100, which are all, you know, getting on for 50mm or even more than 50mm, and impossible to get underneath a cuff, etc., or wear with you know, even smart casual clothes. The G-Shock square will get away with the ball for that. Now the strap doesn't hug the wrist particularly well. It has to be set because of this lug design. It does poke out quite a lot, even on my 7.2 inch wrist. But like I say, the dimensions, they're pretty good. Now in terms of the module then and what you can expect, so it's not tough solar or anything like that. It's, you know, battery powered, and it will last approximately 2 years, maybe a little longer. I guess it depends on how much you use the backlight, although who's going to be able to resist pressing it constantly when you lights up with a Mario and a 1-up. In terms of the glass, just the standard Casio G-Shock mineral glass there. It will scratch up if you wear this a lot and not careful with it. There's some protection here from the raised bezel, and I've yet actually to scratch a G-Shock square screen like this. I think overall then, yeah, this is a really fun piece. I love it a lot. I think I'd have to be in the right kind of playful mood to wear it. You know, it's quite the novelty piece, but it's a lovely thing, and I think it would be fantastic to display, just to have around, and it really takes me right back to the 80s and my childhood. You know, really great fun. Okay, so thank you for checking out the unboxing, and I'm going to make sure that I put in lots of footage of me having fun with this one. Doing something appropriate. This is Wristwatch Adventures after all. Now if you've enjoyed watching this, please do consider subscribing, liking and commenting. It really does help the channel out, so that I can make more content. So there we go, the G-Shock Mario Brothers collaboration. Fantastic bit of fun. Okay, thanks. Until next time. Bye for now.